And so my first question is to Mayor Trzaskowski. You talked about the vicious campaign against the LGBTQ community. And obviously, you know, the diversity of cities is one of the great strengths of cities. Could you speak a little bit about what the national government was doing and how we can productively work with you and other cities to help support vulnerable populations, whether it be the LGBTQ community, the Jewish community, as Congressman Deutsch mentioned, or other marginalized communities?
Congressman, thank you very much for that question. It is very important. Warsaw was always a proud city of its diversity. We had a huge Jewish minority before the war. We had other minorities, German minority, and so on and so forth. And we will always fight for diversity in our city. And we are in agreement in all the cities in Poland that that's what we need to do. And that's why we protect minorities. I was one of the first mayors to sign the LGBT charter in Warsaw because I wanted to protect the minority. I wanted to allow for more tolerance in schools. I wanted to actually talk about this subject. We've created, for example, a shelter for people from LGBT community who are just thrown out of their houses. And I was viciously attacked by the media, the public media outlet, and by the government because they cynically wanted to use that as an argument to fight mayors in Poland. And then when I was running a presidential campaign, they used it against me because they wanted to stoke up xenophobia and homophobia. For example, the president of the republic was on record saying that, and other officials saying that LGBT is not; those are not people, but ideology, and so on and so forth. But we will keep on fighting because we think that our beautiful cities should remain open and transparent, and we will not allow anyone to attack our citizens who have full rights. And as I said, that's our mission. Whoever is attacked in Warsaw will be defended by me and by the people who work with me.